CTR! I'm out here doing the impossible yet again. We'd already recovered this seat for a regular two-door post. This is a back seat, and then we tubbed another car and we kept this back seat out of it when we sold it. And since it's already covered, and I'm one of them wild bastards that don't care, what we're doing is we're cutting out the brackets. If you look, I'm cutting them out and shoving them back over 3 inches because we mini tubbed it. And we're TIG welding it back together. Yeah, that old rusty crap welds just. How CTR? We're narrowing and tubbing a car. And we already had the seat made for a non-narrowed car. And I'm too damn lazy to take the upholstery off of it because, well, I know a upholstery guy. I guess we catch this sumbitch on fire, we'll put her out in the yard. So we just peeled it back on the corners and we clipped it, all 3 parts right here, even down here. And we slid it over about 3 inches and I left the springs attached. So even though they're at an angle, there's still quite a bit of support there. It may change the contour of the seat just a little bit, but it'll be all right. Now, ordinarily I do this with my wire feed because it's really fast, but I don't want to take the covers off because that takes more time. So I'm just TIG welding this old rusty crap. And yeah, it will TIG weld. I ain't even hit it with a brush yet, but it doesn't throw much sparks, so that's why we like it. Look at there, it is good as used. Good as used. But that's what we do. We put her back together. We're gonna go hang this sumbitch in Luck Shop because he's narrowed and tubbed, and yeah, we needed a seat that was tubbed and it's already Delray, so we're gonna put it back together. We'll cinch it back down and hog ring it where we need to, and it'll be wonderful. CTR, I'm out.
See if I can multitask.
Ah!
I'm
Just
going to go
poke down
for
like that.
and assist.
Did you see that cool shit? Didn't even burn the seat down. Yay! One more time there. Hose off my pedal. That's getting hot on my thumb. My little thumb. Cool. Yeah, we ain't setting no beautification records today on our welding. We ain't 10 soldiers. Got you plugged in there, fellers. They do some pretty work. Old Charlie Brown. Good feller right there. Does his daily devotional. He knows God. I'm proud of him. Just keep doing what you're doing. Take care of that family. Can't worry about all them precision ground tungstens on this deal.
I was fixing to say that one looks rough.
Like I said, you can't worry about all them details. Alright. Now comes the dangers.
What, a bigger piece, Chris?
No, I'm gonna put it right back up there, but square it like this. Might have to trim it back a little bit more. I'm gonna have to trim that off some more. Let's cut that one a little shorter. Alright, I gotta get that off there to get the heat out.
I didn't even have to pull it. You just Yeah, what'd you do?
I lost a tooth. I didn't even have to pull it. It just fell out of the hole. I was eating a cookie trying to keep the cookie off of it, and it just fell out. I felt it start swimming around in my cookie pile.
Is it one that's supposed to come out?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not the very back one. It's the one in front of the very back one.
Okay.
And I already lost it on this side.
Oh, well, there you
So.
go.
I'm satisfied. I didn't even feel it. I just felt a piece of something floating around in my mouth.
Great.
Let that peel a little bit. Wonderful. Guarantee there's a lot of welders put a fire out with beer. Better than the fire. But it's back together. Let's go see if it'll fit in the hole. Open the door, bud. Oh, we better all bring our shit back together.
Yes.
Which door?
Yes, we better.
Which door do you want open, Dad?
Need a hog ring.
It's already in there. Which door do you want open?
Passenger door. Let's dirty it up on everything in the whole shop before we get it in there.
Tools first.
Really, it goes on the back.
Yeah.
I just want that shit slid forward.
Okay.
That ought to do it.
There. Buddy, you need to put the package tray in before you actually put the
Nope.
seat in. No.
Sure don't. Make sure that ain't a hit my thing. Hook. It's hard on my knees.
Purdy.
It's hard on my knees. How's that look for y'all?
Ain't that pretty?
It's good enough for the hillbillies I go out with. CTR, I'm out. Quite a ways up on the carpet. I mean, give me an extra inch even. Maybe even 2. Is that all of it?
No, it's not all of it. Maybe you should grow some patience for once in your life.
I ain't got none.
Well,
Hinton.
too
Done
bad.
used them all up on you.
Too bad. You'll just have to make do.
You cut yourself or not?
I don't know.
Then get out.
Father, son, bonding.
You're wearing us out.
Best. There ain't
Yes,
no
you
us to
are.
it, you.